Hey everyone, I just wanted to give a quick little intro to how my live streams work. Now on Tuesday mornings from 11 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, that's afternoon for some of you and evening for some of you depending on where you are in the world. But that's when I do my streams. Now it's a really open discussion. Just come on in, ask a question, ask me anything. Typically I like to talk about stock purchasing and long-term investing using options. That is the bread and butter of what my channel is currently offering. Now I also have my Thursdays, which is a patron only, same time, 11 Pacific Standard Time, and those are for members only videos. So if you want to join in the Thursday discussion, you have to jump over to Discord, jump over to my website, drawbridgefinance.ca, and check out the links on how to get involved and become a member. Otherwise, ask away. The longer you ask questions, the longer I'll stay online. Let's get rich together.